This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant forward focus, only way. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool completely before you touch anything. Wear gloves and eye protection, and have drain pans, new coolant, and replacement drain plug ready. Keep children and pets away while you work, and follow local disposal rules for antifreeze to protect the environment. Gather all parts and tools before starting to avoid interruptions and spills. You will need the right coolant, a funnel, gloves, rags, and a drain pan that holds the full capacity. Check seals and the drain plug for wear and replace if needed. Keep coolant off painted surfaces and wash spills immediately. Having everything ready makes the job faster, cleaner, and safer for you and the car. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and repair guides while you wait for parts or coolant to settle, and it fits in a glove compartment easily. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by loosening the petcock on the lower radiator and allowing coolant to flow into your drain pan until it slows to a drip. Close the petcock, then refill the system slowly to the recommended level using the correct coolant mix. Start the engine and open the heater to bleed trapped air, topping off as necessary. Check for leaks around hoses and the petcock. Tighten components if a slow leak appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.